Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 10 Lite. Okay, so what we will need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, so there's another white box included. So if you open it like this, you will find the SIM ejection tool right here. Okay, so just remove the wings to have it. And otherwise, of course, you could use also the edge of the good old paperclip. And if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, very nice on that SIM tray is that you're able to insert two SIM cards at the same time next to a microSD card. So very nice. Let us start with the first SIM card. It comes here in the middle. So like this, so missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card here. So you need to place it on the first position here. So like this, so also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and optional as well, you can extend the internal storage with a microSD card. It would be here at the last position then. Of course, you can use also the microSD card with just one SIM card. Okay, and the contacts are below. Okay, and after you put your construction just like this back into the phone, close it well, and that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.